Alright, it's James here again, and I just wanted to follow up on that video we did about Elm Leaf Beetle on that Zelkova. Just come down the road a little bit and there's this English elm here, and it has been absolutely obliterated by Elm Leaf Beetle. At this time of year, mid-late February, if you've got an Elm Leaf Beetle problem, your tree's going to look like this. Now this is pretty severe damage, and if your tree is getting this level of damage over the course of a few years, you've got a good chance that the health and the vigor of the tree is going to decline, and you might run the risk of losing your tree. The damage on that Zelkova that we looked at earlier wasn't really enough to warrant much attention. Maybe just keep an eye on it. Once you get to sort of this level where the entire leaf's being skeletonized, and this is a big tree and the whole canopy looks like this, this is time for definite action needed. This is really, what's likely to happen is that this is just going to keep on happening until this tree gets some sort of protection and there's some sort of Elm Leaf Beetle control. If your tree looks like this right now, call someone about it, because you don't want this to happen year after year.